like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you.
Hey guys, it's me, your favorite girl, Rosie Rosette, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make a fabric softener. You can call it Downy or Star Soft. It's very easy, guys. All you need is only 2 ingredients. The first one I would say it's the ingredient, and the second one is the perfume and the color and hot water. Yes, guys, only those ingredients. It's easy. If I can make it at home, I believe you can also make it at home, guys. So let's get to the business.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. While it's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming through to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chugga, look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Y'all don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that road.
Then after that, I have to put the color, then the perfume will be the last one. So see you after 24 hours. Hi guys, I'm back again after 24 hours. And again, I'll repeat what I said yesterday. The reason why I normally like to leave it for 24 hours, it's because I want it to be thick as possible anyway. So guys, the next step you're going to do is color. You're going to mix colors for my softener. Yes guys, and I want to see how thick it is. So come closer with me guys.
All you gotta do is say yes. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby.
And guys, the perfume smells so nice. It's so nice. Oh my god.
I'll take some time just to get back for that I had days full of you. Before it winds down and the memory.
I love strong essence of these fabric softener and shower gel. It is the smell for me, guys. I always love to put enough essence of it because the smell is everything. Yes, guys.
When I come around,
So I'm going to send it for some time.
build you up in a
Then I'll add the other one. Fabric softener is ready. Yes, guys, it is that simple. You don't need so many ingredients to make the fabric softener. Just one ingredient, color, and the perfume, and you're good to go, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this DIY that I did. Share with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel, guys, for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stay too cold. You gon' fuck around the town. Out this way, doing all these shows. Been on the road, I don't get quiet. As long as I get paid, that little vibe. Been on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stay too cold. You gon' fuck around the town. Out this way, doing all these shows. Been on the road, I don't get